Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to start with the very first chapter of class 8th chemistry, which is matter. Now what is matter? Matter is anything that has mass, occupies space and can be perceived by our senses. Perceived means we can feel the presence of matter around us. For example, a book is made up of matter. Bag, dress, hammer, iron, cloth, plastic, paper, everything you see around you is all matter. Now air is also a matter. Why? Because we can feel the presence of air around us. Now what is matter made up of? Means nature of matter. What happened that ancient philosophers were having different beliefs about the nature of matter. Greek philosophers believed that all kinds of matter are made up of fire, water, air, and earth. While ancient Indian philosophers they believed that all kinds of matter are made up of five elements, which is sky, air, fire, water, and earth. Okay, now later on, what happened that Maheshi Canada. He was an Indian philosopher. He is known for perhaps to the first study to suggest that matter is made up of very tiny particles called adu, or you can say anu also, which is molecule, and which is formed by the further smaller particles called paramanu, which is atom. Okay, now Paramanu was named by a Greek thinker, which is Democritus. Okay, Democritus. Democritus. Now, later on, John Dalton also suggested that all kinds of matter are made up of extremely small particles called atoms. Now, what is atom? Now, atom is nothing but the smallest particle of matter that will exhibit all the property of that matter. For example, if you take a chalk and you crush it into pieces, that pieces will work like the chalk will do the work what the chalk has to do. So that is why that it has said that an atom is the smallest particle of matter which exhibits all that property of that kind of matter, but they usually don't have independent existence. Okay, but molecules on the other hand have independent existence. Now both the particles, atoms and molecules are too small to be seen through a naked eye or through an ordinary microscope. However, the number of particles in a matter can be very large. Means that a drop of water contains 10 to the power 21 particles of वाटर कि जो ज़ीरो है उसे अगर हम 21 टाइम्स लिखेंगे तो दैट इज़ द क्वांटिटी ऑफ अ atom in the drop of water. So that's all for today's video. In the next video we will start with the characteristics of different types of matter. Thank you for watching.